Hello everyone and welcome to 555 Barbershop, your home for comprehensive tutorials on barbering. This video features a disconnected blend with a bit of volume removed from the top. This is a real client during normal business hours, not a hair model. The final shot of this haircut I saved for last, so make sure you watch this video all the way through until the end. Likes, shares, and comments will help this video gain traction so that others can watch it and learn. Now before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner of your screen so you don't miss any new tutorials. Alright guys, let's begin.
The first step is to create the guideline. For this exercise, I'm using the 380 ACP by caliber. On this machine, I have the detachable blade marked number 1. Attach a 3-guard and fully extend the blade. Go all the way up to the demarcation without cutting the hair at the top. Close the blade and repeat the same step. For the remainder of this blend, I'm using the 44 FMJ by caliber. Attach a 2-guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 1.5 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat the same step without disturbing the hair at the very top of the blend. Attach a 1-guard and fully extend the blade. Focus on the demarcation. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. The next step is to create the lineup. For this exercise, I'm using the 38 Super by caliber. I thought it would be better to blend out my client's sideburns instead. So this is how you do it. For this exercise, I'm using the 50 cal by Caliber. The next step is to sharpen up your lineup with a straight razor. Now it's time to remove a little bit of weight and add some texture at the same time. If your disconnection looks like this or better, you have done well. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and always remember, always be learning, always be practicing, and always be humble. The clippers in this video have all been provided by Caliber. To find them, visit caliberprocorp.com and use discount code 555.